So does the order of your skin products in your skincare regimen really matters? And the answer is 100% yes. I'm Dr. Morgana Colombo, board certified dermatologist, founder of Vida Derma, a skincare line science-based and aimed at helping women as they age. So the first step to any skincare regimen typically involves cleansing your skin. I typically recommend gentle cleansers that don't strip your barrier completely. Our wash is pretty good. It's very gentle, cleanses really well, but doesn't strip the surface. So after cleansing, you want to make sure your face is dry because wet skin is going to get more irritated. And that's when you apply your actives or prescriptions if you have any of those for your skin. So when I say the word actives, I mean active ingredients such as retinol, niacinamide, azelaic acid, vitamin C, ingredients that are gonna, promote some sort of result in your skin. Maybe, it depends on the situation. So people with normal skin can tolerate any order of actives. It really doesn't matter for them. It may matter on somebody with more sensitive, irritation-prone skin. If you do have sensitive skin, sometimes I recommend actually doing a moisturizer before the active and then putting moisturizer on top of it. Again, that's what we call the sandwich method. On normal skin, that's not needed. You can just apply the active on cleansed skin and go from there. Applying the actives directly on clean skin allow for more penetration, better results of those actives. Typically, you can combine multiple actives because we don't really apply huge amounts of them anyway, so there's no significant dilution of effect. The only downside to combining too many actives is irritation, also making the regimen so cumbersome that compliance or usage of the regimen is going to be decreased. So when it comes to layering your skincare, after the actives, you want to apply your hydrating serum, then your moisturizer, or just your moisturizer. But make sure if you do a hydrating serum, you have to do a moisturizer on top if you really want to lock in the benefit of the serum. So after your moisturizer, in the morning in particular, you want to then apply your sunscreen. And I have here some good examples. So one of the reasons I actually really love them is that they have a makeup-like feel. So you can put this on top of your moisturizer and really just go and not really require any makeup, which can plug your pores and is just, more cumbersome. So it's like a makeup-like sunscreen. And if you have hyperpigmented skin, definitely favor the tint sunscreens. They have iron oxide, which can actually benefit and protect your skin from further UV damage. At night, my recommendation is typically to layer slightly different. So you do your cleanser, dry your face, then actives. Again, a lot of actives at night can be a little irritating. So sometimes we recommend people do them every other night. And sometimes we recommend multiple actives at night. So instead of layering them one on top of the other, we'll alternate them between different nights. And then the last steps, I'll put 2 steps together for nighttime. It's going to be your moisturizer and eye and neck cream. Don't forget to protect and treat your neck area and eye area. Those areas have the thinnest skin, and that kind of skin ages the fastest. So really important to put product in those areas also. What questions do you have about your skincare? If you have any questions, comments below and I'll try to make a video to answer those. Please make sure to like it and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.